Hello there, and thank you so much for sticking to the course. And I hope you will enjoy the course so far. So, first thing first, I would appreciate if you guys could leave feedback on the course. There are a lot of enrollment, and the feedbacks, the reviews are relevantly very low. So, I would appreciate if you guys could leave feedback. That will be super helpful and also will motivate me to produce a proper and best output for you guys. All right, so as for the meeting, I thought like I was done with the onboarding, but then she told me that we need to do the, I think we can call it a summary, profile summary or overview page. I was a bit confused, like why, like because I didn't did any research and brainstorming for that. But when she explained it to me, I got the idea that what exactly we need to cover. But I didn't did any brainstorming and research for that. Again, I will do the same process for it. I will go to Mobin or maybe try something online. But I think Mobin is the best because they have a lot of the apps in the Mobin, right? So this is very great platform for us where I can do a lot of brainstorming and research and look around and find the best ever inspiration so far. So you can see we're here, like for example, once we are done with the onboarding, this is the page that will come off. This will be the name, maybe second name, first name, all right, and then the picture. Okay, so this will be the picture basically, the figure, and if they don't have a picture, they will need to upload the picture, right? Then these are the details that what we put in these info, right? So this is basically for the parents. So the parent has two kids, 6 and 3, and you can see over here one is male and female. Then she is mother, and this 32 maybe in here you can see is the maybe the age. Yes, exactly. Then the language, then the religion over here, right? So these are the things that we will be come up with the perfect solution for that. And even you can see over here all the prompts that she filled out, he filled out, right? And over here they will also need to upload some images over here. So basically, like once the sitter come into this profile, they will see all the details of this parent. Okay, so this is, I think, a very good system that we can work with. All right, so far so good, and now let's get started for the brainstorming and research, and I will try my best to find, like the inspiration for one. Like for example, for this one we will take inspiration, for this one we will also come up with an inspiration. This is very easy. Even I can go ahead and get started in implementing this one. It will be definitely done within few minutes, but I want you guys to show you the best ever technique that you need to follow, right? You just don't need to just go ahead and directly get started with the output. This is not the thing, right? Okay, you got it. Now let me just go ahead and go to the Chrome, and here is Malbin. I will go ahead and search for a profile summary. Let's do it. I think the result is from web. I need the app result, so let me just go ahead and make this iOS. All right, and search for profile summary. Let me see. All right, so for the first thing, okay, this is also very good. Active user. Yep, this is very good. Copy screen and go to the Figma and place it over here. So for this one, like for this is overall, this is very a good screen. So you can see over here for this card we can do it something like this. So this is the age, right? And we can also do like mother, and then we have these, yeah, the languages, the yeah. So I think we can take the idea from this one, right? Then we have this prompt, so we can do it like this and then image. But yeah, let's see, let me also find some other inspiration as well. I think this is also a very good one. This is also a very good one. This is also very good. But let's see if we can find something great, something unique, and something to the point. Okay, to the point. All right. Okay, so we have images, cool. This is also very good. This is also very good. I'll go ahead and copy it and come to Figma and paste it over here. Wonderful, and go back to the crawl. Yep, and see if we have some. Oh, this is also very good. I really like the Airbnb one. So maybe I'll go ahead and copy this as well. Go back to Figma and paste it over here. You can see over here we have this image, cool image, then text, then also these cards. So I think this is very amazing. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think this is also very good. I like it. I love this one. I love this one. So let me just go ahead and I will go to the flow of this one. I will go to the flow of this one. So let me go ahead and go to the flow. I love this because you can see over here we have this cool stuff about me. So we can put like, you know, like you can see over here we have this religion thing over here, woman. Wow, this is exactly what I was looking for. This is exactly what I was looking for. So I will go ahead and copy this, come to the Figma and paste this over here. But I will also go to this platform, this Bumble. What kind of F is this? This is for dating. Yeah, you remember in the meeting, Hella told me that you can take inspiration from some dating apps. So I think this is exactly what she meant, that I will take you know, some help from there. So user profile. I really like this UI, and trust me, this is very good UI. All right, and even I think I will also copy this screen because I will definitely need that in the in the prompt section. So I just copy that, go back to Figma, and paste it over here. So the reason I copy that, you can see over here, this is the thing that we have the prompt, right, and also answer to the prompt. So we can do it like this, you know, for this section, right? So overall we are very good. Let me just explore that a little bit more, since we have in onboarding we have this languages stuff, and also let me just go through it and you can see we're here. Okay, cool. All right, wonderful. Exactly. So for the religion, you know, like we have this, that one drop down. I think we can do it something like this. This is very easy. And we have the religion, the main religion, and if we have some other, so we will just click on it and then we will put manually. So I think I will also copy this, right, and go back to Figma and paste it over here as well. Super. So now let's do the real magic. All right, let's do that. So first thing first, I will, for the header, I think I'll just copy this one screen where we have this logo and then the status bar and everything, and I will name it profile. Okay, and for the profile I have the name, so it should be Sarah. Perfect, I think this is fine. And we can also should we add some text over here? Let me just go back to the parent onboarding, date of birth, okay, background, languages. Yeah, so maybe we can put this address, okay, in here. I will definitely discuss that with the client, but I think somehow it is very good. Okay, and for this one, for the height, I will hug the content. Super wonderful. And now I think we should add a place for the picture here as well, since we already have the image over here, so I think we don't need to worry about that. Okay, I'll go ahead and delete both of those, ungroup that, and over here for this one, since we have the frame here, okay, all right. So this is already the frame over here. I will just go ahead and make this, let's give it some color, so it should be something like this color maybe, and we will definitely add, you know, like image into it later. But since, for example, if I come to this and I don't have an image, how it will look like? So it will definitely look like this, where we can upload the image. So for the upload image, let me just go ahead to Mobit and search for add image. Okay, and let's see if we have some inspiration here. Let's see. Okay, so we can do it like this. Let me see. Okay, something like this, just like we did it. It should be add image. It should be upload image, and see if we have some inspiration. Upload the front side of your document, but we need image. Wow, so we have this add and then upload picture text. But yeah, let's see if we have some. We have this add one. Let's go. We have this one. I think this one is very good. This one is very good. I'll go ahead and take this over here. Just one thing, you know, you don't need to worry about the speed. You need to keep, you know, like take your time, but the output need to be the best output, and it should be, you know, like quality output. So no need to rush, and that's why I'm showing you the, you know, like the actual process. This is basically the actual process. Okay, so yeah, exactly. I got two of them. Okay, so let me just go to Figma and paste it over here. Cool, this is wonderful. Go back to Chrome, and this is also the one. This is also the one exactly. Camera, photo. I think this is also very good. This is also very good. But for now, like we will do that, and let's see if we what we can do it later on. All right. So I think this is we will do for the first one. We will do it like this, add image, and even though, let me also see like for the first one maybe we show this profile something like this. So it mean like we are adding profile. mm, all right. What do you think, guys? Tell me, what should I do? What should I do? Add Putu. I will also try to copy this one as well. Add Putu. So I think this is very good. This is very good. Let's do it. So we already have that the icon. So let me just go to the design system, and I do have the icons for the. Let me just search image. Okay, so we have this image, and let me see if we have add image. So you can see this is already add image. Image icon, camera. Yes, cool. Camera. Add. Go to add image. Let's do the camera one. Let's do the camera. Okay. I think we will do this one. Okay. And even though we can do it, let's do it for now. Let's do it. Okay. So let me just cross this and go back to the wireframe, since we were in the wireframe, and I'll put this icon here and cut it from here because we need to put it over here. Okay. Well, once I put the icon, the content become automatically hugged because it's hugged here, right? So I will make it fixed. It should be like that much, and the icon should be middle align, and I will also need some text, so I will add this text for here, and it should be add photo. So once I click on this, like automatically it will drag us to the camera, or even we can upload it from gallery, right? So far I think this is fine. I will give it some spacing. So add is fine here, and cool. We are done. We are done with this. Okay. And even like once we have the profile, I'm thinking like this place is a bit empty. So for now, I will just go ahead and add something to it. Like let's do some frame here, like that much. It should be left align. This one should be auto layout, and it should be vertical. And let me just give it a fill, and the fill should be, let's give this color. So maybe we will give it this color, and it should be round. Okay. So far I think something like this will work. Let me just decrease this, and should be middle line to at least make it more better. Cool. I think this is fine. Give it an auto layout, and this should be 24 maybe. Yep, this is fine. So we have add photo here, delete this one, we don't need it. And now for this one, add photo, right? So this is camera, add photo. Even though once we click on this, like this area, it will automatically drag out to upload it from gallery. But overall, I think this is fine. This is for this area, I think this is fine. And now the main part, which is basically this card. So for this card, we have this inspiration, we do have this inspiration, and we also do have this inspiration as well. Okay, so about me, I really think this kind of inspiration will be the best. Okay, so I think let's do it. All right, let's do it. Okay, so first thing first, I will need this text here. I'll put it over here. Okay, and let's do it. We have, it should be about me. I think this is exactly what I wanted to, and this one should be, I will give it an auto layout, right? And the top bottom, I will make it 4 pixel. I think that will works. And I will also give it a fill, and the fill should be something like 10% opacity. So let me see if we do exactly, we do have fill here, and I think we should use either this color or maybe use this one. Okay, and I will also make this round. And one thing that I think we should add icons to it as well. All right, so for the icon, I will copy this and put it over here. Perfect, boom. And this icon should be should be 20 pixel. I think 20 pixel works. Okay, this works the best, this works. And this one, I think 6 pixel is fine here, boom. And for this one, I think this is fine, this is fine. Okay, cool. All right, all right. And yeah, okay, I will make this component. So about me content. Okay, I will make this component, so if somehow we change the things, we cannot easily change it from there. All right, so yeah, cool. Now duplicate this here. Cool. So now we will do it like this. We will do it like this. Languages, we have Spanish, and English. Okay, cool. And I will make this. Then we have Christian as the religion. Okay, for now I will do this one, and we can definitely later on we can definitely add more stuff to it. But so far so good. Let me just make this a little bit to the like this, and this one should be like this as well. Okay, and for the language, I will put language English translate. Let me try to search it online really quick. Okay, and search for language. Yes, exactly, this is the icon that we needed. Okay, no, I think we should use globe. I think globe is the best. Okay, so language, and then we have religion. So let me see what icon we have for the religion. This is religion. Star. So for now we will use star, and we can definitely, you know, like change it later on. So this is, so at least it will give us an idea. Okay, so we have, then we have politics stuff. So politics, give it auto layout, and let's do one for the politics. And this one, I think it should be, it should be like this. All right, and okay, auto layout, and take it down. Should be auto layout. Select this, select this. Why should it make it ungroove? Okay, auto layout, and then auto layout. Okay, perfect. And here we have 8 pixel, and 8 pixel here is fine. Okay, so then we have the politics stuff. So for the politics, let's use some, for now let's use politics here. This is fine. Okay, and for this one I will use maybe plague here. Cool. And since we also need to add these main information like age, parent, and kids, so these information, maybe we can make it bigger, just like we have over here. So age, then what if we have like more kids, like these are, we have 2 kids here, right? What if we have more? So how we can show that? And here I will also add maybe here. For now let's do it like the way we have it over here. So it should be age, let's try 32. For age, let's try and use user. Yep. And then we have, give it auto layout, it should be horizontal, and then we have parent, so it should be mother. Okay, then we have female. Yep. Then we have kids and ages. All right, so 2 kids. All right, and it should be 3 and 6, or maybe 6. Okay, and it should be child. I think these kind of output is good. Okay, I will give it an auto layout, and it should be 16, and need it to be all the way from left to right. Give it an auto layout, and let's make this 24 here. Okay, and we have about me. Cool. And these should be also auto layout, and it needed to be 16. All right. I think I think something like this is good. What do you think? What do you think? I think this is fine. This is fine. For now, it's fine. I will discuss that because I really think like maybe we will do this one section over here, just like something like this. So maybe we can give it a try. Let's give it a try. Okay. So on the top, we have the icon, which is good. We already have the icon here. So I will just, like do it. So it needed to be removed from the auto, like the component, and now it should be like this, it should be like this, it should be like this. Okay. And one thing, I will give it an auto layout, should be all the way to the left. Okay. All right, it should be middle line. This thing needed to be filled, something like this. And for the roundness, I will make this 16. Okay. And maybe about me, more, and for something, and this one should be that much. If so, let me give it an auto layout, and I will make this 16. So let me just make it 16. All right. So something like this, and over here I think we will make this overall. So overall, let's give it a fill, and the fill should be like this much. I think this is fine. And let me just remove the fill from here. Cool. Very, very good. And now I will give it a line here in the middle of these. So put the line here, and this one should be, yes, very, very light. Cool. Very good. I think this is very good. This is very nice. This is very, very nice. What do you think? Just add the roundness here. So for the roundness, let me just make this 16. Wow, very good. I think maybe like instead of this fill, we will give it this color or this one. Exactly. The other one is fine. This one is fine. I think I'm selecting this and give it this color, and then we will use this to white, white here, white here, and this one should be like this. Oops, no. Let me just go ahead. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. I think it should be something like this. So maybe I will do it custom here. So I will just make it white, and I will decrease the opacity to maybe 10 pixel, and let's see. Let's increase it to 20 pixel. Okay, I think the 20 pixel is fine. I mistakenly add. I think this is fine. And for the text, I will make this 24 and bold. And no, nope, nope, nope. The icon, let me just increase this to 32, 32 and 32. Okay, and this should be, I think the one which we have already is fine. And I will also discuss this with the client. If we have some changes, we will do that. But overall, this variation is also good. I will copy this, okay, and I will just go back to what we were previously. Okay, I will just take this to the side, paste it here, copy both of those, and go back again. It cannot go back more. And yeah, let me just copy this and paste it over here. Alright, so we have these three variation, and I will discuss that with the client, and whatever she agree with, we will proceed with that. Okay, but overall, I am the fan of this one. I'm the fan of this one as well, and this one as well. Okay, and the rest is very easy. All we need to do is I think we should add the idea from here. I really like this idea, so let me just go ahead and copy this over here. Okay, delete this for now. And once, as you know, if we previously, once we were increasing and decreasing the height, they were messed up with the content as well. But if you are messing up with the content, all you need to do is just hold command or option or control. Then that's how you can easily, you know, like increase decrease the height without messing up these content. Okay, so now all we need to do is just these stuff. So for this one, very easy. I will go ahead and yeah, just copy this one for the text, and for this, for the prompt, and for this one I will make this, yes, 18 is fine. Okay, so you can see over here we have two frames here. So I will go ahead and give it a frame, and I will go ahead and give it 16 from left to right exactly, and it should be, again I will give it an auto layout, right, and I will make it 16, and I will show you why I did it. All right, and now select the middle one, and I will give it a fill. The fill should be, a bell should be this color. Exactly, this is exactly what I was looking for. It should be 12. Cool, I like it. And it should be, I think, top left align, top left. Okay, and we have this variation, right? And now I will make it, copy the prompt here and paste it here. Okay, and this should be file container. Cool, and now let me just add this to here. Okay, and it should be like this. And now in here I will give it an auto layout again. Okay, and for the auto layout, since I give it an auto layout, I will make this left align, give it a fill, right? So it gave it a fill, and this one should be again, let's try 12 or 16 here as well. Okay, and for this one, let me also add this text here, copy the text and paste it here. And for this one, I will also fill the container, and for top, I think from the top we will also give it 12 pixel here, and the roundness should be 12 pixel. And I'm selecting this, and it should be fill container. I'm selecting this, and this should be also hug content, and this should be also fill container. But why it's not working? Let me just do it manually. So this text, I think 18 is also a large text here. I think this is fine, but we will make this medium maybe. Yep, exactly. This is exactly what I was looking for. And for this text, I will make this maybe white. I think let's keep it black, and then we will discuss that. Okay, so hug content, it should be also hug content, it should be also hug content. Cool. Now we have give it an auto layout, and it should be 24 pixel. Okay, cool. Now we have a perfect profile. Then we also need to have the image. So for this image, we can either do it the way we were doing it, like this here. So I think for this one I will do it like this. Okay, so I will give it 16 pixel. Let's write. Okay, and I think this is fine. Let me just go ahead and give it an auto layout, and this should be 16. Perfect. Now this one should be 16 as well. All right, so add a Puto, I think this is fine. Now let me just hug content here. And this should be file container. Yes, I think this is very good. We can add Puto here as well, and the same. This one and this one I'll give an auto layout. In the middle I will decrease it to 16 pixel. I think we can make it 0 because we already have the padding here as well. You can see we're here on the top, we have 10 here and 10 here. Okay, so overall I think I will just go ahead and duplicate this once, and let me just copy and paste this here, paste it here. So over here, since we like playing with Lego, right? So we will add a picture of the cat who is playing with the Lego, right? So I think this is very good technique and idea. So let me just duplicate this, and all we need to do is in here, you can see over here we have 2 prompt here. So I'll duplicate this, and now let's do it one by one. Copy this, paste it here, copy this and paste it here. Now copy this, paste it here, and copy this, and paste it here. So this is exactly what I was looking for. And you also saw the process how we can come up with something like this. And here I will just do one variation, another variation with the images. All right, so I will just duplicate this, and like once we add a photo here, this will be also updated. So let me just go back to pixels. I think this is also a very good plugin for images. And now let's do it. So let's try search bar parent. So maybe I will add her here, maybe this one. This is very cool. Okay, and I will go ahead and search bar the profile. So I add, okay, now for this one I will go ahead, someone make child feel safe. So let's try baby. Oh, cool. Let's add this one. I think this is fine. And for this one, let's try this one, playing with Lego, right? So playing with Legos. Exactly. This is the image. Let's try. Sorry. Just delete this, search for it, and I like this one. Okay, and lastly, let's use this one here. So we have one image, the profile with no images which we need to upload, and then one with the images. Okay, so even we can also use the same profile image for this one. So let me just go ahead and search for the profile, and let's use this one here. This one here. Okay, and I really like this. You can see over here, you know, like this white stuff over here. So you know, we have these white in here and in here as well. So it is very good, and fit perfectly. So even we can do it. Let me just duplicate this and do it for here. Like we have this profile. Let's use the profile here, and I will give it a fill, and this fill should be, yeah, I think instead of this I will use this, the gradient. Okay, and now I'll make this white and this one white as well, and this should be 100. Now let's see. Nope, it's not working. So overall, I think these are the variation that I will need to discuss with the client. So let me just keep that what it is right now. Okay, and let's clean up the file. So I will go ahead and cut this and paste this to the mood board here. All right, and also in the wireframes, I think I will keep this as it is what we're here. And if you remember, like we have this religions thing here, right? So you can see in the mood board, like we have this one, religion. So I will go ahead and copy this and paste it over here. So for the even we can do it the same kind of experience with the religion, with the culture background, with the language spoken, right? We can do it exactly the same like this. And lastly, like we have this other. So for example, if my religion is not in that, I will just click on this other and then I will search out. So very, very easy, right? So I will go ahead and let's do it something like this part of religion, right? So I'll place next to it. And now what's your religion? Okay, and for this one I will go ahead and make this kind of experience, but here I will just make sure that around all the corners middle align, and I will also decrease this. It should be hug content, and this one should be 8 pixel is fine, right? So now what I can do here is I will give it take default, okay, and another variant, and it should be active, right? So once selected, so I will go ahead and copy the properties from here. Even we can just go ahead and select this one from here, and this should be white. So it's mean this one is selected. Cool. Now let me just put this over here. So what's your religion? Okay, and just duplicate this, give it an auto layout. It should be hugged. All right, sorry, it should be horizontal. And now let me just duplicate this. So for instance, for example, like like something is increased from here, so I will go ahead and select this one. So wrap, so I will select this, select this, select this, and wrap that. Okay, so till that much it's fine. For example, if this one is increased, why it should be hug content here and hug content here as well. So if I select this, it automatically come to the next line, right? So for this one I will go ahead and delete. Even we can skip this part, and now let me just go ahead quickly, like copy the content from here, right? So yeah, let's do it one by one. Agnostic, atheist, Buddhist. All right, then we have Catholic, all right. So I think this kind of experience is very, very good. I like it, and even though I will discuss this with the client, so I will just go ahead and coffee and go back because I didn't take. I wish it go back. Oops. But no worries, it was very, very easy. I will just, like redo, go back to the previous. Okay, and I will just go ahead and copy this and paste it here. Okay, so what's your religion? And select religion. Okay, yep. So far I also added this kind certification platform for boxes if we have multiple. So we can definitely do it for all, and I will definitely discuss that with the client as well. And overall, let me just go ahead and clean up the file. I will go ahead and copy this and go back to over here, delete this and paste it over here since it was finalized. Then lastly, even I will remove this from here, delete this. Oops, let me see if we have any component here. Yeah, we do have component here as well, so let me just put it over here, put the component. No, this is not the component. Let me see if we have some other component. Okay, let me just delete this as well. We have components here, copy this and paste it over here. Cool. And now these are the wireframes. I will need to confirm this with the client, and then I will add that to the high fidelity design, of course. Okay, so this one, let's get rid of this, or maybe cut this and paste this to the component here, and we will also cut this from here and paste this to design system here. Okay, and here we can do it like this. I will go ahead and paste this over here. So make sure like you need to organize everything. You will definitely like once you are working, you are allowed to do messy things, but once you completed the stuff, you need to organize the file perfectly. This is definitely a good approach, and you really need to work hard on that. Okay, so far. Okay, cool. So I think this is it. I will go ahead and discuss this with the client, and if any feedback from them, then I will implement that, and that's how we will round up this first phase, and boom, that's it. Once again, I would appreciate if you leave feedback. This is very, very important for me, for for you guys as well, because I will definitely add more content, and even in near future I have a very, very good idea to create another course for you. That course will definitely help you in the freelancing stuff. But so far, let's focus on this. Let's focus on your skill first. Make sure you polish your skill, and then you get started with the freelancing stuff, right? So I think that's it. See you in the next video.